Are you looking for new real estate investment that offers convenience, modern amenities, and high potential of growth? Well, nandito tayo ngayon sa Sadia. But before we dive into the details, samahan nyo ako explore natin kung gaano nga ba ka-accessible itong location natin from Eton Exit. Lalo na kung kayo ay manggagaling from Metro Manila. And ano nga ba yung mga development na madadaanan natin bago tayo makarating dito sa Sadia. Let's go! So ito, mag-e-exit tayo ngayon sa Eton. If you're from Metro Manila, this is one of the access na pwede nating daanan. So as I mentioned, Sadia Greenfield is accessible via Greenfield Mamplasan Exit, Eton Exit, and Santa Rosa Exit. So ito, makikita nyo, madadaanan natin siya. Then, one of the property na una nyong makikita dito, which is Eton City yung nag-develop na residential lot. Ito yung West Wing Residences. So, nasa kabilang side siya. If you're from northbound, mas malapit ito. Pero kung dito rin naman kayo dadaan, tatawid lang kayo sa tulay. Then ito, nag-exit na tayo sa Eton. Babaybayin na natin siya papuntang Sadia. So, may mga madadaanan na tayong mga establishment dito sa area. So dito, one of the developer na nasa Santa Rosa na is yung Eton. Then, ang kalapit ng mga to, Solen Residences, Greenfield, Pramana, Sadia, and meron na rin tayo ditong Laguna Bel Air by Empire East. So ito, binabaybay natin from Eton Exit. So actually, from Eton Exit, Sadia Greenfield is just 5 to 10 minutes away lang. And dito from Eton, ang una nating establishment na makikita dito is yung South Lake. So mamaya makikita natin siya. So ito, from Eton, makikita natin dito yung South Lake Village, one of the Eton project dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. So, which is, ang mga ino-offer dito is mga malalaking lote rin. Then, from South Lake Village, ang next natin dito na establishment, which is the Eton Square. So, ito is from Eton City rin. So, meron na tayo dito mga Starbucks, Jollibee. So, if you're from Sadia, ito yung mga malalapit na pwede nyong puntahan, pasyalan, or kung kayo is may bibilhin. Yan, nandito na yung ating mga Jollibee, Starbucks. So, paglagpas nyo dito sa Eton Square, which is dito naman sa ating kabilang side, sa kaliwang side, nandito naman yung Riverbend. So, Riverbend is developed din by Eton City. So dito, mga sold out na yung mga property natin. So meron na ring mga nare-reopen. So yan yung mga development na nandito at yung mga developers. So kanina nadaanan natin yung makikita nyo dun yung West Wing, South Lake Village, and dito naman yung Riverbend. So ito, pag diniretso natin dito, makikita nyo na yung pinaka landmark ng Greenfield na parang arc siya na madadaanan natin. So, yan. Makikita nyo dito na mag-uumpisa yung ating Greenfield City. So, ayan. Makikita nyo from dito, etong nasa kaliwang side ko, nandito yung ating Pramana Residential Park, which is one of the project din ni Greenfield City. So, ito yung unang residential park na ginawa dito ni Greenfield. Dito, sold out na yung mga lote natin, but minsan nagkakaroon tayo ng mga re-open direct to the developer. So, yan yung pinaka-entrance ni Pramana Residential Park. And dito naman sa aking right side, nandito yung Solen Residences. So, actually, Solen Residences Phase 1, 2, 3 already sold out na, but meron tayong ino-offer dito na pre-selling lots. Ito yung ating bagong open na Phase 1C extension. Actually, yung mga lote na available natin dito is ranging 150 square meter up to 227 square meter. So, siya na lang yung ating bagong open na pre-selling dito sa Santa Rosa na under Solen Residences. So, from Solen Residences, ito, madadaanan naman natin yung start na to ng Trava, which is developed by Greenfield din. So, ito yung ating high-end development na residential lot dito sa area. So, dito kay Greenfield, kay Trava Greenfield, ang ino-offer naman natin dito is residential lot din, but mas malalaki yung cut size natin, ranging 550 square meter up to 750 square meter. So, dito naman sa Trava, Phase 1 is ready to build na, but yung ating Phase 2 is naka-pre-selling tayo. So, maganda dito kay Trava din, stretchable yung ating mga payment options. So, you can message me if interested din tayo about sa mga lote. So, ito from Trava, matatanaw na natin yung ating Sadia Tower 3, which is mata-turn over natin by 2025. So, by next year na siya. And dito, makikita nyo na ito, from dito, madadaanan natin na yung The Medical City South. Ito na yung hospital na pinakamalapit dito sa Sadia. And itong area na to, yan yung ating Santa Rosa Business Park, which is may mga available lots pa rin tayo. So kung kayo is mga investor na naghahanap or gusto nyong ma-extend yung business nyo dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna, eto, pwede kayo dito sa Santa Rosa Business Park. And ayun, nadaanan din natin yung Vivery Hotel and Paseo Premier Hotel. Vivery Hotel is ongoing, and yung Paseo Premier Hotel is one of the Greenfield hotels din dito sa area. So ito, makikita nyo na itong naka-facing sa atin is Sadia Tower 3, Sadia Tower 2, and Sadia Tower 1. So later we will tackle about Sadia Tower 4, which is the pre-selling natin dito sa Sadia. So Sadia Tower 1 and 2 is already turned over, and may mga occupants or nandito na yung ating mga owners. So ito, papasok tayo. Hello po, good morning. Sa Tower 2 kami. So yan guys, from the entrance, makikita nyo na yung ating Tower 1. Ito agad yung bubungad sa atin. So syempre, bago kayo makapasok dito sa DIA, kailangan talaga is naka-registered yung mga names ninyo. So mahigpit din yung ating in terms of security. So ayan, makikita nyo na rin yung ating amenities. So dyan tayo mamaya, yan yung ating gazebo, basketball court, tennis court, and ang maganda pa dito sa Sadia, yung ating clubhouse is ongoing na. So papakita rin namin later dito sa video. So, hi everyone! Welcome back dito sa Sadia. So, kanina galing tayo from Eton Exit. Nakita nyo naman kung gaano kalapit lang itong ating location na Sadia from Eton Exit. Lalo na kung manggagaling kayo from Metro Manila. It's just 5 to 10 minutes away lang. And nakita nyo rin kung ano yung mga ongoing development or establishment na malapit dito sa area. Kaya naman napakaganda nitong ating Sadia in terms of location. It's very accessible via Calax or ang nearby exits natin dito is Greenfield Mamplasan exit, Eton exit kung saan tayo galing kanina, and of course yung ating Santa Rosa exit. So as I mentioned, this project is walking distance lang from Paseo Outlet Mall. And in terms naman of hospitals, makikita nyo rin kanina, dinaanan natin yung The Medical City South. So, let's start with the location. Sadia Greenfield Condo is just few minutes away from major expressway as Calax, SLEX, and Eton Exit, which means you're just an hour drive from Metro Manila but with a more relaxed suburban lifestyle. This is a key selling point for OFWs, investors, and young professionals working in the city who wants to escape the daily hassle and live in the peaceful community without being too far from work. Whether you're working in Makati or VGC, may terminal tayo sa One Ayala Malls Makati going to Nuvali. Now, why Sadia Greenfield is one of the best choice investment for OFW and young professionals. So first, let's talk about OFWs. Many of you know, investing in real estate is one of the most effective way to grow wealth. And with Sadia Greenfield being in a high demand area, owning a property here could generate rental income that can support your family back home. Pwede din natin itong maging passive income in the future. Alam naman natin ang location ni Sadia is napakalapit sa lahat at meron tayong target market dito sa area. Whether you choose to live here, when you come home or rent it out, this property can offer a steady income stream, especially with the growing number of businesses and industrial parks around Santa Rosa. For young professional, Sadia is the perfect for those looking to live close to their workplace but prefer a quieter, more relaxing environment compared to the busy urban centers. With the ease of access to major highways, you're never too far from the action. But you're also far enough to enjoy peace and comfort. Whether you're working in a corporate office or running your own business, Sadia Greenfield provides a stylish and convenient place to call home. Now, let's talk about the developer behind the Sadia Greenfield. Greenfield Development Corporation, within over 30 years of experience, Greenfield is known for building high-quality master plan communities here in Santa Rosa. Their previous developments such as Greenfield District in Mandaluyong and Pramana Residential Park, Solen Residences, and Traba Greenfield in Santa Rosa have been highly successful and are well respected in the real estate market. Greenfield is known for attention to details, excellent craftsmanship, and delivering on promises. Qualities that make Sadia Greenfield a reliable investment for years to come. Whether you want to relax after the busy day or stay active during the weekends, the amenities here are designed for the modern living. As you can see, pagpasok natin dito sa Sadia, makikita nyo na agad yung ating gazebo, tennis court, and the basketball court. And later on, papakita rin namin yung ating ongoing na clubhouse, which is nandito yung ating swimming pool area and indoor basketball court. So, one of the amenities natin yan dito sa Sadia Greenfield. Santa Rosa, Laguna is one of the fastest growing cities in the Philippines, with the new developments, commercial centers, and businesses opening up all the time. By investing in Sadia Greenfield, you're positioning yourself in the area with high potential growth and increasing property value. With the developments like Novali Eco City, Vista Mall, and other lifestyle center rising up around the area, your investment in Sadia Greenfield could grow value over time, make it an even better financial decision in the future. In terms of security, Sadia Greenfield has 24/7 security. So, meron na tayo ditong CCTV. So, bago kayo makapasok din dito sa ating condominiums, i-check muna kung ano ba yung ating purpose ng pagpunta or kung tayo ba is unit owner para syempre masala rin kung sino yung mga pumapasok sa unit. Now, we're offering Sadia Tower 4 pre-selling stage and as of now, our price starts at 4.7 million. And ang maganda pa dito, syempre pag nag-avail kayo ng property direct to the developer, our down payment is stretchable up to 36 months or 3 years. So imagine kapag nag-purchase kayo ng property dito, whatever increase, malalak nyo na yung price dito. And ang maganda pa, pagka bumili kayo ng property dito, you can use credit card or buy a cash. Whenever you're living here or renting out your unit, you'll have the peace of mind knowing that you're in secure, well-managed community. So there you have it. Why Sadia Condo is the one of the investment you would consider. So first, the location. With its strategic location, accessible in 3 major exits. Second is the modern amenities, which we have the high-class amenities that we're offering here in Sadia. And third, which is the developer of Greenfield City. With its reputation, and alam naman natin, pag Greenfield development ang ating ino-offer, may quality or kilala yung ating mismong developer. So if you're interested and you want to know more details about Sadia Greenfield, please don't hesitate to message us directly at 63-917-5132-484. It's my Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage. See you on my next one.